Alright guys, welcome to another video going over why I'm buying up more of this stock, which is Disney. And after a pretty hard sell off from last week, I think that now is an amazing time to get into it, especially with Spider-Man No Way Home coming out. I think that's absolutely going to kill the box offices. And if we take a look at the 5 year, back when Endgame was released in 2019, it absolutely crushed the box office's numbers and the stock exploded as a result. But of course, the pandemic happened shortly, stock tanked. Now we're in this recovery period. So not only is this going to be good for the Spider Man box office, but it's also going to be good as a recovery play because of the Disney parks. So once this whole pandemic's over, for the long term, this stock will definitely see a nice skyrocket in price, not only from their Disney amusement parks, but also because of their streaming services and how much new users they were able to gather to their platform on Disney Plus due to the pandemic. So Disney's looking really hot right now. My play is a $100 call option expiring January 2023. So it's just a simple leap option. We're up a little bit on it. But I think that we're in the long term in 2023, this stock is going to hit back to maybe all-time highs around almost $200 per share, and we're going to make a pretty good profit on this call option if that happens. So I'd say that this is pretty safe. It's a little cheaper than buying 100 shares. This is only $5,000 compared to buying 100 shares, which is going to be 15,000. So we're saving a little bit of collateral on that. But for people who want to have smaller accounts, they only want to trade a few $100s or so, you could do like a January 7th, 2022. If you just want to play like the Spider-Man box office. So like one of these call options only can cost you a few $100, as we can see here. $150 call looks pretty sweet. You're not really risking too much money here. And I think that there's a high chance that you're going to be winning on this trade. So that's going to be my recommended play. So Spider-Man No Way Home, there's so much hype around it that it's pretty much going to be right under Endgame with them beating out their box offices. So we're really anticipating that, and that's why I bought this call option. I think the stock is going to explode once they release the numbers for that, and I do recommend this stock for the long term, even if it doesn't crush the box offices, but just because it's going to be also a recovery play, as I mentioned earlier, from their parks, their cruises. Disney's looking really solid right now. But of course, with the Omicron fears, the stock is taking a little bit of dip. People are selling out their stocks, just holding onto liquid cash, just because they don't know what this new variant is going to do. But once we have information about the new variant and how these vaccine companies are going to handle it, I think that a lot of these stocks, including Disney and other airlines, travel stocks, cruise lines, will see a nice increase in price. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.